Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. In your math session on Sunday, 22/3/2020, special products part 1. By the end of this lesson, we must know the concept of the perfect square and solve some problems. Let's start our lesson by a problem that collects all the ideas of the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we were talking about, yes, we were talking about multiplying binomials. Yes, we talk about multiplying binomials and we talk about the FOIL method. Yes, FOIL refers to, yes, first, outer, inner, and last term. Yes, it's a way to multiply two binomials together. Today we are talking, or we complete talking about the product, or how to multiply. But if we have some special cases, how we can deal with these cases. Start with me on this example which collect all the information about the previous lesson, as we said. Start with me, what is the expression describe the area of the shaded region in the square units? I need to find the area of the shaded region. This is the shaded region, as you see. This is a white region. I need only the shaded region. The shaded region represents what? Yes, it's represent the region or the area of the big rectangle, and yes, we take the area of the small one. If you take the area of the small one from the area of the big one, the remainder is the shaded part or the shaded region. So, to solve this problem, I must get the area of the big triangle, the area of the small triangle, and then subtract. So we have to make three operations, which are, first, I need the area of the big shape. So area big. Area of a rectangle equal, yes, length multiplied by width. The product of the two dimensions, which are, yes, this is my length and this is my width. Start with me. So 3x minus 2 and here 4x plus 1. I need to make a product here, or to get the product, make multiply. Yes, the FOIL method. Start with me. Yes, you need to write here FOIL, F-O-I-L, F. The first, so just multiply, you get, yes, you get 12x squared. Okay, complete. O, it means, yes, it means the outer. Okay, so 3x multiplied by 1. Yes, any number multiplied by 1 is the same. So I just write plus 3x. And then the inner. So I have to multiply negative 2 multiplied by 4x. Excellent. It's negative 8x. And then, yes, the last term from here and the last term from here, it will be 2 or negative 2. Yes, negative 2. So pay attention about the sign, please. Then, this is the simplest form. No, I need to collect. Yes, collect the like terms by adding or subtracting according to their sign. Different sign we, yes, we subtract. So we have 12x power 2 minus 5x minus 2. This is unit squared, or by square unit. Square unit length. Okay, so a square unit length, it means if you centimeter by feet by inch. Unit squared, it means feet squared, inch squared, centimeter squared. As you know, when we talk about area, the unit must be squared. The unit must be squared. Okay, we got this is the area of the big shape. By the same, I get the area of the small shape. So I'm going to the second part of our problem. Number 2, area small. Area small, it means, yes, length multiplied by width. The length is, yes, this is my length and this is my width. Okay, so, yes, you have here 2x multiplied by x plus 5. Okay, we have here to multiply x and distributive property. So I just distribute here by multiplying, distribute here by multiplying. The result will be 2x times x. Yes, 2x squared. So I just write 2x squared. And 2x times 5 equals 10x. So plus 10x. Now this is the second area. Okay, squared unit length. We're going to take the white region from the whole region. The remainder will be the shaded region. Okay, so we have to get the area of the shaded part or the area of the shaded region. This is number 3. So area of shaded region equal to area big minus area small, which equal. Start to make subtraction. So I just write this, the area of the big, which is 12x power 2 minus 5x minus 2. This is subtracted, okay? Sorry, the other will be subtracted from this, which is as you see. I need to subtract this from this. This expression from this expression. This expression is what? Excellent, it's binomial because it consists of 2 terms. And here, trinomial 3 terms. Now I get the answer. So I just write the answer here. So 12x squared minus 2x squared. Yes, it's 10x power 2. Okay, and negative 5x minus 10x. Excellent. The same sign. So we must add and put their sign, which is negative and 15x. Okay, after that, this is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 0. We don't have here a free term or a constant. So negative 2 minus 0 is still as it is, and this is our answer. This is our answer, which is 10x squared minus 15x minus 2, which is letter B. So as you see, we get the area of the shaded region by using FOIL method and then distributive property and then subtracting polynomials. So this problem collects all the previous lessons that we are talking about operations on polynomials. Let's start to get, yes, this is our answer as we said, the units. The units only you multiply the binomials using the FOIL method. Now, find the squares of sum and the squares of difference. Find the product of sum and Okay, find the squares of sum and difference. Start with me. And the square of sum. The square of sum and the square of difference both talking about a perfect square. What's a perfect square? A perfect square is a bracket all with power 2. A bracket all with power 2. But as you see here, the square of sum, you have here what? Yes, sum, it means a plus. The square of difference, this time change it into minus only. Okay, let's talk about the square of sum. As you see, we have a plus b all squared. A plus b all squared. It's equal to any number or any expression power 2. It means this number is repeated by multiplication for 2 times, as you see. And then he used a FOIL method. To get the result. A multiplied by A. So we have here A multiplied by A equal A squared. A multiplied by B, it's AB. B multiplied by A, it's AB also. B multiplied by B, it's B squared. We collect AB and AB, we have 2AB. So by using FOIL method, you can get the answer. But here, it's a special case. The special case, it's a bracket all with power 2. If you have a binomial with power 2, it's called the perfect square, and we have 2 types, which is called the square of sum, and we'll talk about the square of difference after that. If you have a problem like this, we don't need to make 2 brackets and then make the FOIL method. No. If you have a problem like this, just we have it. What is the rule? Look at the bracket. The bracket is power 2, so I just write it here. A plus B all with power 2. If we have here a problem like this, just go by this way. Take the first term, square it. So A power 2, it means A squared. And then multiply the first by the second. Multiply the first by the second. A multiplied by B, or A times B equal AB. And then from your mind, multiply by 2. It's a rule. Multiplied by 2. So I just multiply it by 2, so it becomes positive 2AB. And then go to the last or the second, square it. So we have here, this is it. So the rule says that if I have a perfect square like this, I need to expand it. I make the first square, then plus in the case of the sum, and in the minus for that we have negative, we write this as minus. But now we are talking about the sum. 2 multiplied by the first, multiplied by the second. And then plus the second square. So this is the rule. Again, the rule, if we have a bracket all with power 2, now we are talking about plus here the sum, so we take the first power 2, plus 2 times first times second, plus the second power 2 or the second square. It's a rule. It's a rule. Again, the rule, first power 2 plus, it means if I have here positive, this will be positive. But the first and the last number must be positive because it's a square. Even they are negative or positive, if you make a square, you get a positive number. Yes. So the middle sign or the middle sign of the term will be according to the middle sign. Okay. After that, we are going to the example. Pay attention with me. I give you here an example. X plus 4 power 2, so it will be x power 2 directly, without this, without using FOIL method. The first power 2, so x power 2. First times second times 2, so 4 times x equal 4x times 2 equal 8x. That's the second power 2. It means 4 times 4 or 4 power 2 equal to 60. Let's go to another example. Let's go to another example. Okay. Yes, 7z plus 2 always power 2. Who can help me? Yes, start. So, mister, you said the rule. Okay, I write the rule. No problem to write it in the first, in the second, in the third problem in order to, yes, make practice first and then you can go directly after it. Okay, the rule says that the first power 2 plus 2 multiplied by first, yes, complete with me, multiplied by the second, plus, yes, the second power 2. Okay, start to substitute. First power 2, it means, yes, what? 7z power 2. Excellent. 49z power 2, you must make this power 2. So 7z power 2. It means this power will be distributed inside here on the coefficient and on that symbol. Don't forget. Okay, 7z power 2 is wrong. You must distribute the power among the coefficient, the whole term. Okay, so it will be 49z power 2. Okay, after that, yes. Okay, so I write plus and 2 times the first times the second. Okay, by steps, there is no problem. 2 multiplied by the first, multiplied by the second. Okay, there is no problem. And then plus. Okay, the second square means 2 power 2. 2 power 2 equals what? Equals 4. Now, you can collect this. You can make this operation to get the simplest 4. So 49 z power 2, yes, 2 times 7, 14 times 2, excellent, it's 28. So you have here 28z plus 4. This is your simplest form and this is your answer. This is your simplest form and this is your answer. Okay, let's complete another example. Another example. Directly, I need one of you to help me in the second example. Okay, choose the correct answer. I need to find the product of this special product. How we can find it? Okay, let's start. No need to write the rule, directly you substitute. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Start with me. First power 2, it means, excellent, 9x power 2. Then, yes, it's a plus. 2 times the first times the second. And then, plus, excellent, it's 4. 2 power 2 equals to 4. Yes? Equal 9x power 2. Excellent. 2 times 2 times 3 or 2 times 3 times 2 is 12. So 12x plus 4. Okay, is this your simplest form? Yes. Which is letter? Yes, letter D or the last answer we have. So this is our answer. Thanks. We go to the next example. As you see, square of difference. What is the square of difference? Square of difference is the same, but just we change the sign. We change that middle sign. The middle sign was positive and now it's negative. Okay, so it was positive, so the middle sign here was positive also. The middle sign will be negative. So no change, except we have here negative and here also negative. Okay, so it's the same rule, but just we change the middle sign, so change the middle sign here. But the first and the last, as I said, keep as it is, as it's a square and it's a square. Even they are negative or positive, the result will be positive. Okay, let's start. Let's start. An example like this. The first square, x squared. Negative, so just write negative. 2 times first times second. 3x times 2 equals 6x. 3 power 2, not 6. 3 power 2 is 9. 3 power 2 is 9. 3 power 2, not that. 3 times 2. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay, let's start to get an example. Let's start to get an example. 3c minus 4 whole power 2. Start with me. Start with me. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. We have here, yes. So we have excellent. So you need to write the rule. Okay, there is no problem. There is no problem. For the first examples, we can write the rule. First power 2 minus, yes, 2 times the first times the second, yes, plus, yes, excellent, the second power 2. Let's start to substitute. First power 2, 9c power 2. Okay, he said 9, not 6. Pay attention about this. Okay, negative 2 times the first, okay, times the second. Okay, it's negative 4. Why you write 4? Because we write the sign from the beginning. We write the sign from the beginning. We just write the absolute value here of the terms here. We take the absolute value. We know the meaning of the absolute value. Yes, okay. So after that, plus 16 directly. Excellent. After that, so 9c power 2 minus what? Excellent, it's 24. Here we have 6 and here we have 4. 6 times 4 equal to 24. Yes, c plus 16. This is our answer. Okay, so we have here the answer as you see. We go to the last problem. We go to the last problem. It's a choose problem as you will see. Okay. Let's start. Okay, directly. Okay, I'm waiting for your answer directly. 4m power 2. Okay, 4m power 2. And then negative 12m. Excellent. So negative 2 times first times second. 2 multiplied by 2 equal 4. Multiplied by 3 equal 12. So 12m. As you said. And then, excellent, it's positive 9. So he gets the result directly. He gets the result directly as we start, step by step, but after here we have the fourth example. You can make it directly without writing the rule and then start to substitute. Because the rule stands now in your mind. Okay, so the result will be letter. The result will be letter D, the last answer. So by the end of this example, we have finished the first part of our lesson today.